Hey everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to learning how to use generative AI to making AI professional. With the help of generative AI tools, you try to learn many of quick responsive software source codes, programming languages which you feel comfortable, and how you are making a great way of building a strong potential for your career. So applying generative AI concepts with the help of tools like ChatGPT, Google Bot AI, nowadays it's calling like a Gemini, and Copilot, Tab9 AI. Using these tools, you try to apply with your code editor like a IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which you feel comfortable and which you likes to work and learn more productively. Why you require to learn all these tools? Not all, feel comfortable which tool you are more comfortable. Then you start learning and apply more productive way to taking the content, like a new content in terms of maybe like a logical information which you require, apply as a source code and make a products like a project completions in very stipulated times. These all are possible using this generative AI tools. Have a look into that and start exploring. And I also share you a few courses links. If you interested, find out very less time how you become a successful master in your career. Try today.